So we start with news that the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in South Korea has jumped sharply in a single day. Health authorities reported 15 more confirmed patients this morning, bringing the total here in South Korea to 46. For more on this, I'm glad to say we have our Kan Hyeong-woo on the line for us. Hyeong-woo, tell us more about these new cases.
Mark, South Korea just announced the biggest increase in the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in a single 24-hour period. There are now an additional 15 coronavirus patients in the country. With that, South Korea has now confirmed 46 cases so far. According to the Korea Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 13 of the new patients were reported in the southeastern city of Daegu and the surrounding Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. 10 of them went to the same church, the Shincheonji Church of Jesus, as the 31st patient who was confirmed to have the virus on Tuesday. One of them works at the hospital, where the 31st patient stayed to treat wounds from car accident prior to the virus confirmation. Kyungpook National University Hospital in Daegu, where one of the confirmed patients had been hospitalized, has closed its emergency room now. Health authorities are trying to figure out how the other two could have been infected. Meanwhile, there were 2 more confirmed cases in Seoul and Gyeonggi-do Province. A South Korean man in his late 70s tested positive at Hanyang University Hospital in Seoul's Seongdong-gu district. He's quarantined and receiving treatment at the National Medical Center. He reportedly has no recent record of traveling overseas and no contact with any other of the confirmed patients. The other case is a 11-year-old girl in the city of Seongnam in Gyeonggi-do Province, south of Seoul. She's the daughter of the country's 20th patient and the first elementary school student to be infected with COVID-19 in South Korea. The nation's youngest patient is isolated and getting treatment at Seoul National University Bundang Hospital.
Okay, well, we hope they all go on to make a full recovery. They'll be getting top-notch medical care, so we wish them the best. Now, on a related note, South Korea brought back several of its nationals from the virus-hit Diamond Princess cruise ship that docked at Japan's Yokohama port. Where are they now?
Well, the evacuees have been isolated at a government quarantine facility in Incheon International Airport. They will be under quarantine there for 2 weeks. Now, earlier Wednesday, a South Korean presidential jet brought back 7 passengers and crew members from the cruise ship that's been stuck in Yokohama for weeks. The evacuees, 6 South Koreans and a Japanese national who is married to one of the Koreans, landed at Seoul's Kyungpook International Airport at around 6:30 a.m. Korea time. None of them are showing symptoms of the coronavirus now. Health authorities will be keeping a close eye on the evacuees around the clock. There were 14 South Koreans on the Diamond Princess cruise ship, but only 6 decided to come back for their own various reasons. That's all from me now. We'll be back with the latest in our later newscast.